So it's a little bit late. I say late, it's, you know, I started this when it was like 6 o'clock, but since it's winter, that means it's already dark outside. So you wind up, you know, cooking by floodlight. We've already done the peppers, the stuffed peppers. Those are just so good. The stuffed peppers with cheese, and brought those in. Maybe I'll put some pictures of those. And, you know, we do fancy stuff sometimes, but sometimes it's nice to do just some humble burgers. This is gonna be so good. Why don't you let that cheese melt in? So here we are back with the cooker hot. It just doesn't take long for the cheese to melt in. So we're gonna go on and pull these off. And there's just something fantastic about, oh, nice seasoned cheeseburgers on a winter night. Take these in, get them dressed. We'll be ready to go. That burnt cheese that gets in the middle is always the best part. Oh, son of a gun. Huh. So here we are. So here's the finished product. This is a good keto. It's gonna get some mayo on there too. Maybe just a little ketchup, but just a little. With the stuffed peppers that are just so good, and everything else. So anyway, that's how Catherine likes hers. Can't argue with that. All right. See y'all.